Hi everybody. Now for today's challenge, it's actually a little bit of a creative one with a bit of phonics and maths included. Now we would like to see if you can have a go at making one of these. Now this is called a chatterbox, or you might have heard it being called a fortune teller, but today ours is going to be based on challenges that you can set for yourself or for somebody in your house. So I'll just quickly show you how they work, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to make it. Okay, so first of all, you need to hold it underneath with your thumb and your finger, and the same on the other side, and it moves like this. Okay, so you need to go up to somebody in your house and ask them. I've put colours on mine, so you can ask them, which colour would you like to choose? If they choose this one, pink, I'm going to spell out pink and move it each time. Are you ready? P, I, K. Now I've landed on these numbers. Can you see I've got some numbers written inside? And then the person in your family can choose a number. So I'm going to choose 3. So count 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to ask them to choose another number. And it's going to be number 1. And then I open it up and read the challenge. And it says, can you clap 5 times? Yes, I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got some other challenges in here as well. They are maths and phonics based. So this one says, what sound does your name begin with? Miss Cooper. K, k, k. Which other ones have I written down? I've got here, show me 7 fingers. I left a blank space there because I've got to think of another idea. Count backwards from 20 to 0. So lots and lots of different challenges on our challenge chatterbox. Right, I will leave it there and I'm going to show you how to make it now. So you will need for this a piece of paper. Any colour is fine. You will also need some colours, crayons or felt tips, and some scissors. So the first thing you need is you need to have a square piece of paper, because if you can see, this is actually a rectangle. So we need to make it into a square, and the best way of doing that is to take the bottom corner up to the top to make look a big triangle. So you just need to fold the paper and make sure it's all lined up. I didn't line that up very well that time. There we go. And fold it all the way down and you'll be left with a triangle and a rectangle. Now you need to cut the rectangle off. So you need some scissors. If it helps you, you can open it back up, look, and you could draw a line, but I'm going to just keep it like that and cut along this line. So all the way. There we go. And then you don't need that anymore. So you can just pop that in the bin or in the recycling. And then you can open out and you can see it's a perfect square. Now you need to fold all of these corners in, but they can't go past this line. Can you see? So fold each point into the middle and it will actually start to look a little bit like an envelope. Can you see? It looks a bit like an envelope, doesn't it? But then we're going to take the last one into the middle. Got to be really careful with your folding, guys. Make sure it doesn't overlap, okay? Because you'll see later how you will need it to be quite precise. You can always get a grown-up to help you with this. Right, once you've done that side, turn it over, keep them folded. And you're going to do the same on the other side. And you will start to see your chatterbox taking place. So keep folding in all the way. Last one. And then last thing that you need to do is, so it should look like this. So it should have the flaps on one side and this on this side. You're going to just take it and fold it in half, press right down, and on the other side, and then fold it again. So folding it into quarters, folding it 4 times. There we go. Just to make sure that all the creases are really, really folded. And then this is a little bit tricky. You need to put your fingers into these bits that are sticking out. You might need an adult to help you with this a little bit, because it can be a little bit fiddly. And just make sure all the corners are really, all the points are really pushed out. And there we go. It's done. And now it's time for you to add all of your things. So you will need some colours. So I'm going to start with red. If you don't want to put colours on the outside, you could always put numbers on the outside. So if you want to, you can just flatten it down again to do your writing and your drawing. So I'm going to draw my big red splat. You don't have to write the colours either. If you know how to spell them, that's fine. I might do another green one. Okay, so just start to fill it up. So the colours on the outside, if that's what you want to do. And then I'm going to put some numbers on the inside. So I'll just go around 1, 2, 3. What's next? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now you are all ready to start writing your challenges on the inside. You can make them as easy or as tricky as you would like and have a go at challenging your friends and your family, whoever you are with, to see if they can do your challenges from your Chatterbox. Now, I can't wait to see some photos, or maybe you could even record a video of you challenging your grown-ups at doing your challenges. That would be brilliant to see some pictures. We can't wait to have a look. So hopefully you have lots of fun with this challenge. Good luck.